Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Robbie the Painter here, and yes, we are finally going to do a painting episode. I've been working on a waterfall project out in my front yard. If you haven't seen those videos, check them out. It's been a fun project to work on. I'm going to have waterfall and a pond and a stream and bridge and all that good stuff. Eventually fish, I hope, and that. But today we are working on a painting episode. I thought I'd take a break from all that hard labor out there and come in and do a painting episode for you guys. And I'm excited about this one. This is something I started, and it's part of the Mysterious Stranger series. And it ties into another Mysterious Stranger painting that I did. In fact, the very first one. And I'll show you that at the end after we're done. I'll show you the two, and I think it's gonna be cool to show the comparison. I kind of know what I'm doing here, or what I've got in my mind and the ideas, but I'm still figuring out a few things. And so I think I'm going to change some of this, the buildings a little bit, and make some adjustments. Not sure how many colors I'm going to use, but I know for sure I'm using these, and we'll see if I add on to those colors. And I'm probably using some linseed oil to as my medium to thin the paint. Sometimes I use paint thinner, sometimes I use linseed oil, but I think I'm going to try linseed oil in that on this one. Let's get started. This building is supposed to have another one connected to it. That's supposed to be right in here. This painting's dry, by the way, because I did it. I started it quite a while ago, at least a few months. I'm just roughing in a shape that my building needs to be. It might even be bigger than that. I think I'm gonna have to bring in some brown. The reason I'm changing this is if this painting here is to tie into the original Mysterious Stranger painting that I painted, it's not going to make sense if there's not a building right here and that. And when you see the other painting, it should make sense. Looks like something. Not sure if it looks good, but it looks like something. You guys with me? All right, we're all in at this point. Oh, I got my hand in it. Did not want to do that. Why didn't you guys tell me I was doing that? Oh, you were. Sherry, you were yelling, get your hand out of it. Carol said, oh no. Oh no, Rob. You know what? I'm not gonna stop to fix that just right now. Let's keep going. I'm not looking at any picture. This is out of my head, so you're probably saying, well, what are you painting? What are you trying to paint? Well, if I had a picture and they had a description, I'd be able to tell you, but I'm just making this up. Seeing stuff in my head and painting. Whatever I'm trying to paint right here, there it is. Don't know what it is, but there it is. I'm also trying to wrap around the edges on this painting, so it'll be wrap around painting. This one won't need a frame if you don't want a frame. If a person didn't want to frame it, you don't have to, because the scene continues around the edges and around the top of the painting. Yep, at the top too. I didn't do the bottom. Well, can't do everything. You know, Bob Ross was right. Happy accidents happen. I agree. This was a happy accident. I hope you guys are enjoying it. I'm figuring this out as I go. I kind of have an idea of what I want it to look like, but I'm not sure. I'm not really sure. I don't want to get too detailed on everything around, or it's going to take away from the mysterious stranger. It is a mysterious stranger painting, so I want to make sure that we're focused on that. What do you guys think? Man, I'm happy with that. I think I want to darken this up a little more over here. I like the combination of the purple and the black too. You know, trading up a little more purple here, a little more black there, and all of that over the gray. I think is, if nothing else, this is a colorful painting, right? You guys leave me a message in the comments. Don't be shy. You're not going to hurt my feelings if you don't like this. I'm pretty tough. If you do like it, or just say hi. Stop by and say hi. I also think I want to bring this light through the tunnel out just a little bit, change the shape of it. And I hope I don't ruin it by doing that, but we're going to try it. I think I'll use a fan brush, maybe go into a little bit of white. Let's grab some linseed oil, thin it down just a little bit, and wipe most of that off. I want very little paint on this until, and this is good for you guys at home on any of your paintings. If you're sure about what you're doing, go ahead. Load this thing up and go at it. If you're not, always start out with a little less paint on an area you're kind of testing, you know, kind of testing the waters to see what happens. So a little less paint and just see what happens. All I wanted to do is bring this. I'm picking up some purple, so I'm gonna wipe that off. Go back into my white. And stand back. And almost there. It's like I want to follow the edge of this tunnel all the way out. All the way out. I don't think we heard it. I'm okay with that. I think I want to add some people up here in these windows. Whatever this building is, they're up on the upper floor. Let's do the mysterious stranger. I think I'm ready to paint him in and call this one done. Well, I think we're done. I'm going to go ahead and sign this. There, we have a signed painting. I like it. I don't know about you guys, but I think it turned out really good. I'm going to show you the comparison between the two, how this mysterious stranger, how it ties into the first painting. So here's the very first mysterious stranger painting that I did. I'm going to hold it here in front of the other one. He's in a city streets. To me, it looks like Europe, Italy. I've never been there, but I've seen a few pictures and that. And I painted this out of my head. I didn't look at anything for reference photos on this. I just had this idea of this alleyway among buildings, and then this tunnel that goes through here, and then this mysterious stranger here who's walking through the tunnel. And I painted this one a year ago, but as soon as I painted this, I thought, man, what's gonna happen on the other side of that tunnel? Do we see him coming out? And what does it look like? And so, there we go. The answer to the question is, that's what it looks like, in my mind. There's a couple inconsistencies. If you put these side by side, you're gonna go, oh, well, that building's a little too tall for, and that one needs to be here and that. Minor things. I see it, but I don't care. I think they both turned out really well. This one ties in, and I think that's what I'm going to do on the Mysterious Stranger series, is one painting leads into a next. As our mysterious stranger visits all these cool places around the world, maybe even off-world, who knows, I want to show him getting there or leaving and where that goes. So we'll follow the mysterious stranger no matter where he takes us. And I hope to see you guys. A couple of my videos are really taking off, which is surprising. Most of them don't get a whole lot of views. And you know what? I'm okay with that. I wish it would grow a little more, but I'm excited. One of my Boulder videos is really taking off, and it's got quite a few likes. So if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel if you like what I'm doing and you find me mildly funny or amusing and you like what I'm painting. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I will see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.